All right, hello, my dear viewers. Hey, Sandy, hello, welcome to the stream. Actually, I'm facing some issues with my internet connection, so I try to delay the stream so that it has some network buffer so that we can use that buffer, but I don't seem to be using that buffer, it seems. Yeah, there is some problem with my internet connection. But anyways, let's hope everything goes through. So this is 23rd of July 2024. The day is Tuesday. Many ups and downs, and I think I'm particularly focusing now on Sandy because I think he was able to capture a good move in the crude oil. What do you say, Sandy? Crude oil was down today 1.5%, so I think it is going in our way, and more downside is also expected. So once again, I welcome you all to this Dukas Copy Academy, and you're watching your favorite show, that is Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm a Dukas Copies trading community member. Let me introduce myself in the quick fashion. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am an independent trader. I have nothing to do with the Dukas Copy except I'm just using their platform to showcase my analysis. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong, but I can bet that when I'm right like hell. Okay. Um, as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already in the chart, so we'll try to not to talk about anything that is news based or fundamental in nature, and we'll only focus ourselves on the chart. We'll see how what candlesticks are showing us, and we'll plan our trades according to the candlesticks. And during the candlesticks analysis, we'll be checking the key levels from where the price can actually reverse. If not reverse, then if it trades through, then it will continue in the similar direction. So the key levels that we have to have on our charts that we will talk about, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. It will really help you in your uh, gauging your risk to reward, potential risk to reward. Now at the end of the session, I'll be asking if you have any questions from me, but do not skip the questions till the end. If you have any, write them down in the chat and I will try to answer them after I finish my analysis. Now, before I start the session, I must inform you that this webinar is live, but you should not place your trades in the real markets based on this webinar. I'm not authorized to advise you on trading. So please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. Okay. Now, before we begin, I must show you the risk disclaimer also, because we are talking about the Forex, and Forex is mostly traded on the margin. So please understand the risks that are involved. You can pause the video here if you want to, and then only go to the charts. All right. So right now on your screen, you can think that this is the dollar index, but this is not. This is the Bitcoin. Okay, you see, yesterday we expected the Bitcoin after closing higher to continue higher, but it did not. In fact, it has come down. So to what extent it can go, I wanted to tell you. Can you cover EuroCAD? Yes, we will cover EuroCAD, but that will be at the end. So first things first, what is happening with the US dollar here? You see, US dollar has just pricked higher than this swing pivot, and because it has pricked above it, it means that now the next resistance of 104.87 is exposed. Does it mean that I should buy now? No, that doesn't mean that you should buy now. You should look for a buying opportunity. Okay, there is a possibility that the price will go low and then it will go higher. This is a possibility. Okay, so you have to look for buying opportunity, but right now you cannot buy. It is at the high, it is at the resistance. Okay, so next level of 104.875 is now exposed, and now we can remove this down arrow and we are expecting higher prices. Now what is the potential support? Well, the price has breached this level. 50% can be potential support, 75% retracement can be potential support. For us to know about this, we have to check what is happening on the daily. Okay, you see from here the price went boom, 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 boom. Okay, it consolidated here, then it went here. So these highs may provide some support to the price. That is 104.10 area, maybe some support to the price. Maybe, I'm not saying that it will definitely be, but maybe with some support if the price has to go higher towards 104.87. What about the pound here? So because the pound has breached, dollar has breached higher. See, the pound has also breached lower. What does it mean? Is it going down? No, it doesn't mean that it's going down. You remember where was the swing pivot for the pound? It is 1.2777. So now if the US dollar starts going higher, you will see that the price of the pound will start churning here like this. Boom, 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 like this. Okay. And again, when the US dollar will start going down, the price will go like this. So this thing you have to understand, that because the pound is very strong these days, even if it falls against the US dollar, it will fall very less. Now this thing can also happen here, all right, without breaking 1.2777. Now if it breaks below 1.277, then we have to look for the selling opportunities. I hope that is clear. What is happening in euro? Euro has also predicted below this, but this is also fair value gap. I don't know whether you know about the fair value gap or not, but you just assume that there was a lot of buying here in this area. Sell side was not offered, now it is offered. So if the price closes above this fair value gap again, boom, 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 the price will go to the higher highs. So this is a small thing that you have to understand. But nevertheless, if you only talk about the market structures, then the market structure will shift to the downside if the price breaks below 1.0805. So we wait for the price to break below this, then only we look for a selling opportunity. Till the time it is not happening, we are only looking for the buying opportunities. You will filter out any selling opportunities that come before the price takes out 1.0805. What about the Australian dollar? Well, Australian dollar is going down, 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 down. It has even breached this low that the price had made. Okay, and it is really looking very bearish. Even yesterday it was bearish, and today also it is bearish. 0.6577 is the potential support for this one. Not till the time the price doesn't test this and reacts from here, we cannot be sure where the price is going right now. But it looks like it has a fake breakout to the upside from the channel. It came inside the channel again, so I am expecting it to reach the channel's low once it breaks here. New Zealand dollar on the similar lines like Australian dollar, it is also trying. I think this trend line, this long-term trend line, may offer support to the price. This support is of course dynamic in nature. It is increasing day by day as we are getting higher. Now this sell-off that started from 0.6149 may halt here, and if it doesn't halt and the price breaks below towards 0.5852, then we can expect some retracement to 5981 level for a selling opportunity with the deeper targets around 0.5508. Sorry guys. USD CHF also, just like the US dollar index, it is also going above the highs. Now we were expecting these levels to act as a resistance, although this has not acted as a resistance and the price is trading firmly above that. But also notice that this was a fair value gap that the price is trading. Well, it can reach till these lows and then fall. Anything can happen guys, but you see that the market structure is bearish now, and it will turn bullish only above 0.8979 on the daily closing basis. So till the time the price does not trade higher than 0.8979, we are bound to not to look for the buying opportunities. I'm just so sorry, because this impulsive move here, I'm not very much bullish on this one. I'm bearish on this one guys. USD CAD, yes, I'm bullish on this one. The price can test 1.3846 very soon. US dollar has shown us a consistency even when it was going down. You see, even when it was going down on the daily, the USD CAD was holding. Okay, it was not going that lower, but yes, then it immediately changed the market structure. Boom, boom, boom. Now 1.3846 is the minimum that we should see. While going up, I think you can expect these lows. What is this? 1.3753 to hold as a support, and you can expect 1.3846 very soon. Talking about the USD JPY, I think we have talked about it yesterday also, that we are looking for the lower prices here. 154.54 is the target on the downside. Now once the price breaks below this low, that is 155.37, then you can expect this high to act as a resistance like this. But till the time it is not going below this, we will keep it here only. Okay, maybe tomorrow we'll keep it here, seeing if it is able to trade and close below 155.37. New Zealand CAD, this was expected. Now it has also breached lower than these prices, so expect 0.8087 also. Before that, will it retrace? We are not sure, but yes, there's a fair value gap, so it can go to that and then hop to the downside. Bitcoin. Now, this is the price action that I wanted to talk about. You might be thinking, oh no, Rakesh was saying that it is going to go high, but how high it can keep going? Like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, how much? It has to pull back. Now, in this pullback, if it breaks below this low, you see carefully 63 to 67. If this breaks below this, do not long Bitcoin. Okay, in that case, Bitcoin will go to dustbin. Now, this is the range that Bitcoin is trading, 63 to 67 to 68,516. Now, look for the buying opportunities at the lower half of this range. What does it mean? It means that draw a Fibonacci. Where is that Fibonacci? Where is the Fibonacci? Okay, no, here is the one. It's Fibonacci retracements. So you draw the 50% and look for the 50% of this. Below 50%, look for the buying opportunities. Okay, believe me, you will be surprised to see that the price will go below 50% and then boom. Okay, I'm keeping it like this, and tomorrow you see and witness it. Okay, what about brand? Well, this is what I was talking about. Is it really not good to see that? I think this is where we shorted it, right? From here we started saying that this is going to go down to this 8th of July. After that we have only 3 green days and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and multiple incoming. We are looking for the lowest price 76.78 in this one. It can go even below that, but we are looking for this price to be tested. Well, today is a nice price action in this one. Any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. 83.74 is the potential resistance now for the price. Gold also, we are looking for the lower prices. Right now the price is trying to, oh, some buyers are trying to come in. Anyways, we don't mind. I think this is also reacting at 61%. I'll just show you from the eyeballing. Yeah, this is no, it has come to almost 70%, and from 70% it is reversing. I'm not keeping this on the chart, but yes, you can expect a sell-off again when the price reaches 70% of this one. Not I'm sometimes I'm saying 70%, sometimes I'm saying 60%, because this is not fixed. Okay, mostly 61% to 70% in between this. So like 2450, you can expect that as a resistance if the price starts rising from here. Well, this is what we were thinking about. Now, anything below 39,441 will expose the lower levels. What are the lower levels that we are talking about, Ragesh? Okay, this is the one. Then there is this one. And then there is this one. These are the lower levels that we are talking about. Below 39441, we are looking for the prices to go very deep, like 37946, 37619, 37114, and 36693. So keep an eye on these ones. Euro JPY, sell on the rise. What do you mean by sell on? This is the sell on the rise. This is called sell on the rise. Okay. So I don't think that we need to explain this price action, but yes, just understand that 169.99 should start acting as a resistance now, and potential support is around 167.33. GBP OD, did we talk about this yesterday? I don't think that you remember it, but yes, I said if the price goes above 1.9479, then we will expect the price to go to 1.9968. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see if the price is able to close above this level today. That will be certain. Then it will be certain to go to 1.9968. CHJPY, sell on the rise. This is what sell on the rise looks like. Potential resistance now is this resistance. Okay, 177.51. Support is 174.61, where the price is trading right now. The next target on the downside is 173.19. That's all. Or in New Zealand, consolidating still. Potential target 1.1177. Potential support is 1.1041. Reversal at around 1.0979 and below. That's all, guys. Okay, gas is left. So the gas has a bullish market structure shift now. These highs, these closings, the price should act as support here. Okay, my dear friends, this should be acting as a support now. Okay, now we are looking for the higher prices in this one. I think 2.44 will be a good idea to keep a target at 2.4499. all right. Yeah, so my friend was asking about what he was asking about, EuroCAD, right? So I think AudiCAD, we had talked about this also, but we had talked about this, that look for the buying opportunities only above this. This has already gone below, so there's no point in talking about that. We'll talk about the EuroCAD. EuroCAD actually should be down now, but eventually it will go up. Okay, like I said, it is down now, but eventually it will go up. So let's see from the monthly point of view first. What is your opinion on this, Sandy, if I may ask? What do you think about the euro? I'm thinking that the Canadian dollar is getting weak day by day, so you should see higher prices in this one. That is what my expectation is. So this is the monthly range. Pum, 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 pum. Pum, 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 pum. Pum, 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 pum. Pum, 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 pum. Okay, this is a recent low that the price made, which is higher than the previous low. Okay, that is understood. So which is even higher than the previous low. So yes, the price is making at least higher lows. So is it making higher highs? First high was this. After making this low, the price made a high here, then it made a low here, and it made, so clearly on the weekly it is making higher highs and higher lows. So the market structure is up, at least on the weekly. On the monthly it is down, 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 market structure shift low. So we are expecting a higher high than at least 1.5043. Well, this can be our bullish side target, and the second target is this high, 1.51. So let's go back to the daily now. Okay, so the first target is 1.5043, then 1.5119. So don't you think that the price has already moved a lot to go and buy this market? Yes, this market is bullish, but we have already got late to capture this market. Really, I'm not joking on this one. You should not look for this market. Yes, this is a good buy, but where will you keep your stop loss? If you're looking for a long position, boom, 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 boom. Well, I think you're already there, but euro can slip tomorrow and day after also, because the US dollar has finally started an up move. So what you want to keep, okay, you want to maybe keep a stop loss which is very tight. 1.4918 should be a stop loss if you want to buy it. It is almost at the level. If I go to the lower time frames, I must ask you. Okay, so if you want to buy now, your stop loss has to be below 1.4918. That is one thing. If you can have that stop loss, you can check out how much risk to reward you are going to get. Well, it looks like here you have 30 points. 45, 100 points. Yeah, it's okay. From risk to reward point of view, it is okay. But has it shifted the market structure on any market, like on 15 minutes or 1 hour? At least someplace it has to be bullish in the lower time frames. So till now it is not bullish, my friend. I'm sorry about that. Boom, 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 boom. So it is just consolidation. This is a triangle that is forming, and I think this is the level that you want to see breached, 1.4948, with a huge volume. You want to see this candle going like boom, like straight line, then come back. Whatever first instance, it can come in 1 minute, it can come in uh, 1 hour, it can come in 1 day, whatever. No, no, not 1 day. So when the price goes up and comes back to test this 1.4948 again, you buy it with a small stop loss below if you want to. Okay, and then target for 1.5. So because you are buying here, you are getting a stop loss of daily chart, which is only 20 points away, and you are targeting 100 points. I think 30 points and 100 points, this is a good idea. What do you say, Sandy? Or otherwise you can wait and let the price go even further, which I don't think is going to happen, because there are enough buyers. They came down here to fill this gap. I think the gap was already filled. There was a buy side only, now they have given a sell side also. So there's no need for the price to go below 1.4938 actually, but for that price has to break higher. If it doesn't break, boom, it can go to 1.4918 and lower. So let's see how the things unfold in this one. I told you euro is supposed to go higher against the Canadian dollar, but from this price action, it doesn't look like it's going. Now, if it shows the sign of going higher, you want to buy at the very first instance when it touches this 1.4948 or 1.4950 area. All right, I hope that is understood. So that's all from my side, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free. Okay, so Sandy says that it's okay. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that will be of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I will end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. At sun. Tomorrow is CAD interest rate announcement as well. And you know that I don't talk about anything that is news based. Bye bye. Take care. Yeah, but that thing, Canadian interest rate decision can act as a catalyst for your trade in case you are with the price action. So maybe CAD will get weak. Yeah, CAD will get weak because it is already hinted by the USD CAD. If you have been noticing, everything else is going down, but the USD CAD is going up. Why it is going up? Why? Why the hell it will go up when everything else is going down? Well, I don't know. Bye bye. Take care, guys.